Hello shrimps! I'm back in my garden and the topic this week is down in the garden. So I've had to sort of adapt things. So I thought we would sing a song that we already know. And you can find this song on BBC School Radio. I'll put the link on the homeschool learning for this week. But it's one of our favourites, children. Ooh, this one popped out. This song is all about apples, and this is something else that grows in our gardens, on our trees. So I've got some apples here, and this is going to pretend to be the apple tree because I can't make them stick in the apple trees. There's absolutely no way. Even though I can be quite magic and make things happen, once they're dropped off the trees, you can't stick them back on. Did you hear the train going through again? Right, so we have got 5 little apples. Let's count them. I've lined them all up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, can you roll out 5 fingers for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're going to pretend that they're growing in this tree. So I'm going to put them back in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can just about see them. They're meant to be dancing about on a tree one day. You remember that song now? I'll just show you my little number cards as well. So you can make number cards. You could perhaps make them this week with apples. So when one comes tumbling off there's a tractor going past. When one comes tumbling off the tree, there's number 1. Maybe we could make 1 apple underneath. You could have a go at that. Mine's just a spot, but you could make number cards with 1 apple to show number 1. And let's see what's one more than 1. 2. Well done. 1, 2. 1, 2 spots. But you could make number cards and put this week 2 apples on it. Have a go. So draw 2 apples to show number 2 this week. Let's see the next number. 2 and 1 more. That's right. It's 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3 spots. But you could draw 1, 2, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. What shape would an apple be if you were drawing it? It would be a circle. Well done. Round circle. So that's 3. What's 1 more than 3, children? 1 more than 3 is? Well done. 4. There's number 4. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots to show 4. But you could draw 4 apples. 4 circles for 4 apples. You could have a go. Let's put that one in there. Oh, it's gone to sleep. Hang on. There we go. And this one now. Oh, wrong one. Hiding the wrong one there, children. That's it. This one. 1 more than 4 is? Yay! 5. Well done. So there's 4 and 1 more makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. So you could draw 5 circles for 5 apples, just like our 5 apples on here. Okay, let's see if we can sing the song. So let's pop that in there so I don't lose all my numbers. And the song goes like this. And we start with 5 actually, so we could have the number 5. Can Mrs Nolan find it? Yes, we start with 5. So can you all get 5 fingers? I'll put it there, it's a bit wet. Can you get 5 fingers? Okay, ready? 5 little apples so red and bright were dancing about on a tree one night. The wind came rustling through the town. And it is rustling. Can you see it blowing? 1 little apple came tumbling down. Oh no! So we did have 5. We haven't got 5 now. How many have we got left? So you had 5. 1 less this time. So we're looking at 1 less. we had 5 dancing around, but 1 has come tumbling down. How many is left on the tree now? That's right, we have got 4 left. Let's pop that there. We've got 4 left. There's my number 4. 4 left in here. You see it? There it is. It's peeping out the tree. 4 left. Okay, so this time get 4. 4 there. And we've got 1 here. If we were to count how many altogether though, so we've got 4 in the tree and 1 that's tumbled onto the ground. So 4 in the tree and 1 on the ground makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's still 5 children. So 4 in here and 1 on the ground. Are you ready? 4 little apples so red and bright were dancing about on a tree one night. The wind came rustling through the town. One little apple came tumbling down. Let's make 1 tumble down. Whee! Oh no! So we had another one that's tumbled down. So this time, how many have we got left? 1, 2, 3. So 1 less than 4 is 3. Well done. Only 3 left. But there's 2 that's tumbled down. We've got 3 on the tree and 2 that have tumbled down. All together, when you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it still makes 5. 3 on the tree and 2 tumble down. 3 little apples so red and bright were dancing about on a tree one night. The wind came rustling through the town. 1 little apple came tumbling down. Let's see if we can make it tumble down. Tumbling down, look. So that's 1 less again. How many have we got left in the tree this time? We've got 1, 2. Just 2 on the tree. And we've got 1, 2, 3 that have tumbled down. So 2 on the tree and 3 tumbled down. That still makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 altogether. We've still got 5 apples. 2 on the tree and 3 tumble down. Still, we've got 5 apples altogether. Okay, ready with your 2 fingers for your 2 apples? 2 little apples so red and bright were dancing about on a tree one night. The wind came rustling through the town. 1 little apple came tumbling down. Look, children. Oh dear, that's another one. That means we've got 1 less on the tree. 1 less than 2. That leaves us with 1. 1 less than 2 is 1. Only 1 left. 1 on the tree and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the ground. That still leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples altogether still. Are you ready? Just 1. 1 little apple so red and bright were dancing about on a tree one night. The wind came rustling through the town. 1 little apple came tumbling down. Oh no, children, look. We've now, all of our apples have tumbled down. How many have we got left dancing on the tree? 0. That's right, there's no apples left on the tree. How many have we got on the ground? That's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left on the ground. So 0 on the tree and 5 on the ground. We still got how many? We've still got 5. 0 and 5 still make 5. Well done. Right, it's so windy. I think I'm going to go off now and eat one of these very juicy red apples and see if there's any more growing on my tree over there. Okay, so you can sing that song at home, sing along with me, or you can actually put it on BBC School Radio, 5 Little Apples, and you'll get to that song to join in with them as well. Okay, and we do love that in the nursery. It's one of our favourites, isn't it? Especially when it's snack time. Nice time to sing our apple song and use our numbers. Okay, well, it's been lovely singing with you, and I hope to see you very soon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, shrimps.